You're asking me for my ID because I'm parked in a parking lot where they sell stuff to read it.
Yes.
And on what grounds you ask me for that?
Yes.
Tell me what grounds you're allowed to ask my ID.
It's my job. May I see your identification?
No, what
Sir,
legal
I don't know
grounds?
who you are. I don't know who you are.
Am I doing anything illegally?
I don't know if you're the owner of this vehicle.
Right now you're parked illegally.
All right.
Wait, can I ask you a question? How am I just
Sir, I'm going to ask you for the last time.
Explain to me how I'm parked illegally.
This is the fifth time I've asked you. Can I please see your identification? This is Officer Otto from the Suffolk County Police Department.
This is Gino Giorgini, a New York State criminal attorney who's sitting here doing this. Then why are you asking me?
Because I don't
want to give you. Why do you want to look at my ID? I'm asking you a simple question.
In this incident, a Suffolk County police officer approaches a criminal defense attorney who is parked in a convenience store parking lot in Vendange, New York, reading his morning paper. The officer demands the attorney's identification, citing a vague claim that the vehicle is parked in a manner that blocks the path, despite the area being near the corner. The lawyer, recording the interaction, challenges the officer's reasoning, asserting that he is not required to provide ID without a valid reason.
I'm in a private parking lot, minding my own business. It's not a private parking lot.
It's a business. This is a public parking lot. This is a public. Private would mean it's a business.
You have right, and you're telling me I'm parked illegally. How am I parked illegally?
You're parked illegally. You're blocking the path.
Blocking what? What path? In the corner. I just want to record this.
Sir, I'm going to ask you for the last time. May I please see your identification, please?
I just want to ask you.
Sir, may I please see your identification?
I'm asking, what legal grounds are you asking me for?
Your identification, please.
Right now, sir, you're parked illegally. Okay?
Okay, I
just want to identify you. Okay?
I don't know who you are. I don't know if you're the owner of this vehicle.
Exactly. You understand that?
I do not know if you own this vehicle. I don't know what your name is. You're not showing me any proof that
you're missing the point, because hey, do me a favor. Don't interrupt me when I'm speaking. Do not interrupt me when I'm speaking.
Sir, do me a favor. Sir,
on what grounds are you asking me?
May I please see your identification? Sir, may I please see your identification?
And if I say no,
sir,
what?
May I please see your identification?
And if I say no, what?
Well, then we'll have to wait here until you show me identification, because I can't have you leave. I can't allow you to leave. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you are the owner of this vehicle. I don't know if you have a New York State driver's license. I don't even know if you are a legal citizen of this country. I don't know anything about you right now. So I would like to see some proof of identification.
You asked about legal citizens of the country?
No, I don't know who you are, though.
I'm just wondering. You asked if I'm a legal citizen of the country?
Sir, may I legal operator of this vehicle?
Yes. May I please see your identification? I did not
have to determine whether or not if you could drive away here, we can let you go. If it's just a minor.
And also, sir, I did see you dump that liquid onto the floor.
It's called seltzer. Okay, here's a can of water. Sir, it's an empty seltzer can.
You did dump a liquid onto the floor.
Water.
Okay. Okay, so you did do it though.
Is there a law against that?
You did dump a substance out of a can out of your car, correct?
And
answer my question, sir. Did you or did you not?
So what does it matter?
Answer my question, sir.
What does it matter?
Sir, answer my question. Did you or did you not dump a substance out of the car while you were parked here?
What is here? Water, seltzer. What does it matter?
So you're saying you did?
And is there a problem with that?
I don't know what substance it is.
Go down and test it. Go lick it. I don't care. Bend down, lick it. I don't care.
I can't test it. That's why I'm asking for some identification so you can verify who you are, where you're going right now, and then I can have you go on your way.
Well, let me ask you. Why would I have to tell you where I'm going?
Because it's my job to know.
No. Why?
I don't care where you're going.
Why is it your job to know who I am?
I did not ask you where you were going. I asked you. No, I did not. Do not put words into my mouth. Okay? I know this is your job. All right? I understand this is your job, but now let me do my job and just see some identification, like a New York State driver's license, because I don't know who you are. Like I said, I have never had any interaction with you before. I have never seen you before. Okay? So I'm doing my job, patrolling the area that I work. Correct?
Wait, come on.
Okay, so I'd like to see some identification.
Are you telling me that people in the state of New York had me stopped and asked for ID for no reason?
Okay, well,
no, I did not say that. I said I would like to see some identification from you, sir. I can call a supervisor down here. We can't let you leave now. Now you cannot leave until I get verification of who you are. I can't allow you to leave. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you have a New York State driver's license.
The officer continues to insist, claiming he does not know whether the lawyer owns the vehicle and even questions his citizenship, further escalating the situation unnecessarily. As the conversation progresses, another officer arrives and informs the lawyer that his vehicle's inspection has expired, which the lawyer was unaware of. However, this new issue does not justify the officer's original request for identification, as there was no crime or violation articulated at the outset of the encounter. The officer's initial demand for identification was based on an unsubstantiated claim of illegal parking, which would likely have only warranted a verbal warning in any case. The situation then devolves into a back and forth over legal procedures, with the lawyer repeatedly questioning the officer's right to request ID under such circumstances.
Oh,
Nah,
your
no
inspection
idea.
is past due. Well, now I can't have you drive the vehicle because your inspection is past due. So now you're going to get a summons for that. But I don't know who you are yet, so I don't know who to write the summons to. So can you produce some identification for me?
That expired. I didn't know.
Oh, boy. That expired? Did you get that on tape? Did you get that? Can you film that
Oh,
for
I'll
me?
get on tape.
Thank
That's
you very
expired.
much.
Big deal.
Okay.
I just want to know why you're stopping people on the gas station.
Didn't stop anyone. I did not stop anyone,
I
sir.
just want to know why.
You were not- you
I
stopped
sit in gas
already.
stations and read my paper every morning, but I just happen to be in Wyandanch about to pick up a client, and all of a sudden, I've got this massive
It's all right, sir.
interrogation.
You can wait here for your summons.
You're going to get a summons. Can I-
Yeah, I'm going to supervise it.
So I know who to write the summons to?
There's some parked car ready to the
No,
parking
there was
lot.
someone in the vehicle, so I can't write it to a parked car to no one. There is an actual operator of the
No, you
vehicle
got the plate.
right now.
You can write it to the owner of the car.
No, I cannot do that. I
Just so we get this straight. I get summonses. People get summonses on parked cars and parking lots all the
I
time.
don't know. No, but there's no one in the vehicle. When there's someone in the vehicle, the actual operator who's sitting in the vehicle gets the summons. Not when the car is parked unattended and alone. Yes, you're correct.
It was
That is
car in
called a
operation
parking-
right now?
I didn't say it was an operation. I said you were sitting in the operator's
Okay,
seat.
so but it's not. The car wasn't in operation, right? Car wasn't
say that.
running. This, that.
I did not. We're not talking about that, okay? And then I say that. Do not put words into my mouth, okay?
I'll have fun showing this video in front of Judge Hudson's bar this morning.
And you make sure you show that your inspection is up.
So what? Big deal. Write a
Okay.
ticket.
Okay.
You like get off on this or something?
No, you ready?
You like get off on like just dragging this process out?
No, because
You realize you could have just identified yourself at the
That's
beginning
all.
and be like, okay,
You
this
probably
is your
wouldn't have gotten the
vehicle.
ticket for
Because
the.
What are you
I
doing,
wouldn't
sir?
have. I
want to ask you why
have a
someone.
client over here and be like, all right, sir.
But
And
what
then you
is
go
what
and
is
do
it?
And
But
it's
why?
just
Why
being-
would? Let
it's
me.
just
I
being,
just
like,
want to know
gentlemanly.
something.
Then you
I
keep
just
talking
want.
over
I
you,
want to know.
like,
You dumped the vehicle. You dumped the
were talking
substance
nonstop.
out of your car.
You're sitting weird. You were dumping something out of your car.
I don't even know what that
It came
I'm
out
substance
the way
sitting
that's
weird.
why
Yeah, you're
The vehicle's parked weird.
Yeah.
This is not weird. Everything else is straight into a lie.
Is this
Everything's
tint
right by-
legal, by the way? I think we have a tintometer in the car. Is this tint legal?
Factory should be.
Okay.
Rear
Just wanna
window.
make sure. Just want to make sure.
You know? And you could have been on your way, but like, if this is what you get off on?
No, I get.
Obviously you do. This is like a little game that you like playing. You
Wait,
know?
what's
You
the
could've been
game?
on your
Wait,
way a long time
wait,
ago.
time out. A
You could've
game?
been on your way a long
Wait,
time
time
ago.
out.
This is a little game.
You're
This is
supposed to
something
do
that
your job when you're
This is
doing
what you wanna
something.
do. I mean, this is your game. You
Why
know?
is it my
You
game?
play-
I'm reading the
you're
newspaper,
playing
minding my
all the time
business.
with this little game. You know, you could have been on your way.
Really? It's a game? You violating people's rights?
Violating rights. You're parking legally.
I'm not parked illegally.
You're dumping
Okay.
your unknown substance.
Right
I don't
the
know what
ticket.
substance
Write
is.
the ticket.
Okay, but I don't know how to write to it, so I need to see some identification.
Write a ticket
I
on
need to see
everything.
your identification.
Write
so, you
ticket
can
on
be
anything.
arrested. Believe me, for just so
what?
you know, for an inspection ticket, in lieu of arrest. Tickets are issued in lieu of arrest.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, let me see. There we go.
Eventually, the attorney complies and produces his identification, though he remains frustrated with the entire interaction. His main issue was the officer's lack of a legitimate reason for asking for his ID, as sitting in a parking lot reading a newspaper is not a criminal offense. The lawyer's insistence on knowing the grounds for the officer's actions highlights a clear misunderstanding or abuse of authority, as the demand for identification should be based on an articulable crime or reasonable suspicion, neither of which was present in this case.
I don't know why that was so hard.
Because it's illegal to come up and ask for ID for no reason.
When someone's dumping a substance out of
Nah,
yes, that is my
that's
reason.
it.
That is my reason. You're dumping
Park
an
it.
unknown substance out of, you're parked in a car, okay? You open the door and you dumped an unknown substance out of a can, okay? And then you threw the can on the floor.
Don't worry.
So
This is getting forwarded to the Fed monitors. That's all.
Okay.
It's all good.
It's
Okay.
fine.
Listen.
It's all good.
Right here. 5426.
I got it.
Okay?
I got it.
Make sure the Fed monitors get it.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
They'll be happy with that.
You're
You
not
know.
getting your rights violated.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
How do we violate your rights?
Don't worry. You'll find out.
Okay.
Well, just sit tight. I'll issue you a summons and you can be on your way. Have a nice day.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.